Baba, welcome to a series of A Slice of Life. My name is Meher Ruspe Bharucha, and today my father and I are going to be discussing certain issues that most children, adults and teenagers face. Ready? Is it alright to have wishes and dreams, or should we feel apprehensive about it?
I think it's perfectly all right to have wishes and dreams. As long as you're very clear the outcome and the fulfillment you have left to the wisdom of your master. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So it is perfectly all right to have wishes and dreams. There are few things required for that. Number one is your wish and your dream practical? Okay?
Okay.
Do you have the ability to reach that place? Or are you just going to... You want to be a marathon runner, the greatest marathon runner in the world. But you don't even want to go for a jog. So, that's a stupid dream.
Sometimes, I'm not too sure if this is correct, but is it that when we have wishes and dreams, are we creating more karma for us to come back down? So we say that I wish I could have that, or I wish I could do that very freely.
Yes.
We don't actually wish it. It's like a part of a sentence. Does that create karma?
No. I will come to that in the second part. So first let's talk about wishes. So there's nothing wrong to aspire, there's nothing wrong to wish, and there's nothing wrong to dream. All I would say is give your 100% and then leave the consequences and the fruits and results at the feet of your master. Okay?
Okay.
Be practical in what you wish for, then work towards it, and then leave it to the wisdom of your master. Teacher? Certain people get consumed by their dreams. They get so consumed that their family suffers, their health suffers, their spirituality suffers, everything suffers. I think such kind of aspirations is wrong.
Can you give an example?
Suppose a person dreams of being a very wealthy person. He or she does not mind indulging in corrupt practices to reach that dream.
Okay, understood.
He or she will cut somebody else's stomach to get more money. No, that's wrong.
That's very wrong.
That creates karma.
Oh,
That creates karma. Okay? Just working towards your dream, having left everything to the wisdom of your goddess, God Guru will not create karma.
okay.
But expectations, obsession, greed, that creates karma. Just generally talking, I wish I was the president of this country is not going to create karma. But being obsessed by that thought, wanting it, willing to do anything for it, that nonsense will create karma, Meher.
Okay.
There is a saying that if you desire something desperately, Baba says the cosmos will eventually grant it to you. In this lifetime or in another lifetime. You will be granted.
I specify sometimes that I want it in this life.
Yes, that is why you many times say, Baba, I want this in this lifetime. Which is a very sensible thing to do. I don't think they have got this concept of time very clear, Baba, So you got to specify, I want it now, I want it this year, I want it...
In this body.
I want it when I am in this body with... But, as per se is something... Is there anything wrong in having a dream? No, I don't think so. In fact, the best comes out when you're passionate about something. So I think dreaming, aspiring is beautiful. But don't get so caught up in it that you lower yourself. Don't get so caught up in it that you don't mind crushing others for it. Don't operate from your lower self to achieve your higher dream. Operate from your higher self to achieve anything, and then leave it to the wisdom of your goddess, God, Guru. Leave it to the wisdom of the cosmos if you don't believe in God.
Did you dream of becoming an author one day when you were young, like younger?
I always dreamt of being in the world of creativity. I always dreamt, I used to create stories in my head. But did I dream of becoming an author? No.
Did you have a plan, like very strategically planned? If this does not work out, you have a backup. That does not work out, you have another backup.
Me and
Yes.
plans? Yeah, no, sweetheart.
No?
I got into dramatics, I got into music, I got into writing.
No, but when you got into dramatics and music, was it a job? Like, were you paid?
I've never done anything. For me, art is not a job. So I've never done art for a job.
So you didn't have any backup plan?
No backup plan. No backup plan. I just knew that this is the only thing I want to do. Went ahead, gave my best, and then with Baba's grace,
You're here.
we are here. Okay.
Okay, if you have any questions that is not about channeling, you can Gmail us on sairusai@gmail.com. Not any other email address, only Gmail. Okay? Jai
Jai
Baba.
Baba.